What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? It's Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. I love you guys. Thanks for being here. Welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. You guys, we're gonna keep on going. I hope you're staying safe. Hope you're washing your hands. I hope you're just growing you some food, growing whatever you can, whatever seeds you have, whatever you got in your refrigerator. You know, I've always told you, grow what you got in the house. Okay, okay. If you have not already, click like and subscribe. Y'all subscribe to the channel. I love you so much. Thanks for being here. You're the best. Today we're gonna talk about onion. Something that we all love. We smother food in it. We cover food in it. We bake food in it. Onions is just onion. I love onions. Okay, okay. So what we're gonna do is show you how to take the onion out of your refrigerator and bury it and grow you some more onions. Okay, because it's getting real out here, y'all. It's getting real. So I'm just show you this quick video. I just wanted to do a video for you guys today. You know, I try to do one as much as I can, and I love you. Just got home from work, completely sanitized. I've been sanitized all day, y'all. I don't play. I don't play when I get to work. They know I don't play. I love you guys. Thanks for being here. I hope you're washing your hands. Hope you're being safe. Taking social distancing very serious. Hopefully, I'll be working from home in the next couple of days, which will be a great thing because I don't like going out when they're telling you not to go out. Okay? Okay? So, pretty much, it's going to be a quick, short video. Get that onion out your refrigerator right now. Okay? That regular onion you got in that bag, that red bag, look like a net. You know the onions we pick up at the grocery store, sometimes we don't need to look at it, we just grab them. Sometimes they already rooted. Sometimes they'll sprout by themselves. But look, a lot of these are already rooted. They got roots on them. Okay? This your onion out the refrigerator. Go on and get it. Use it. Cook some. We hungry. Okay? And also ration your food too, y'all. So all you're going to do is get you a knife. Okay? Regular onion. You're going to cut this bottom piece off. I don't need to show you how to do that because you know how to cut an onion. Because you're growing some food right now, so you're interested in cooking and eating. So just cut that little bottom piece off, y'all. And I did that in advance for you, so you don't have to wait a long time for this video. Okay, okay. I love you guys like that. So all I did was, I took the root and soaked it in some water that I had sitting outside. Okay? And if you look inside, I don't want to wet up the camera. You might see two little nodes in there. These two little, trying to get it as close as possible. There are two little nodes in there, but you'll see them. They look like separate little circles. Inside the big circles, you'll see like two separate circles. That's what's going to grow from the bottom of this. Watch. I'm going to give it a few days, okay? I'm just going to take one of these plants that I already have potted. These are some little flower seeds that I'm growing. Yeah. And there's nothing in the middle. My little Dollar Tree pot. Yep. So, I'm going to let you guys see what I'm doing. Just going to do this with one hand. Dig a little space right there. Like that, right? I'm doing this with one hand, y'all. And I'm going to set this onion just like that. I don't want to cover the onion. Do not cover the onion up, y'all. Some people put the whole onion under the ground and cover it up. No, 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 no. Leave it like this because the shoots are going to come from up here. Okay? So just put your onion down in the ground just like that. Just give it a little firm pressing, just a little bit. Don't mash none. And then just, going around the edges. And pack it down. And leave it just like that. And I'm going to keep you guys updated on this onion. Okay? Okay. I love you guys. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh. You guys be safe out here. Wash your hands. Sanitize everything you can. Love on each other. Grow food. And eat it. You're the best.